Rental Income Tax Guide for Landlords. Being a landlord comes with many financial and legal obligations. Here is what to know about rental income taxes, deductions, and deadlines. What you'll learn: am I required to report and pay taxes on income from rental activity? What types of expenses can I deduct as a landlord? If my rental activity results in a loss, can I deduct it? Do landlords have to issue 1099 forms to contractors? What tax deadlines do I have as a landlord? How can I get help? First is, am I required to report and pay taxes on income from rental activity? Generally speaking, if you are making money from operating a rental property or engaging in almost any business activity for that matter, then yes, you are required to report and pay taxes on that income. Rental activity creates taxable income in a majority of cases. The only exception to this rule is if you rent out your primary residence, such as renting out a bedroom for fewer than 15 days during the tax year. No income is required to be reported in that case. However, if you rent out your primary residence for longer than 15 days or have a vacation or investment property, you are required to report and pay taxes on the net rental income. In most cases, rental income is considered investment income and it doesn't trigger self-employment tax like a side hustle might. However, if you are a real estate professional or looking to make rental activity a full-time gig, you may have to pay self-employment tax in addition to income tax. In some cases, you may be able to avoid this tax by forming a corporation or LLC. Second is, what types of expenses can I deduct as a landlord? You can deduct expenses associated with rental activity if they are required to maintain the property, find a tenant, solve disputes, comply with the law, and other aspects of collecting rent and keeping your investment safe. The following items are generally deductible: advertising your rental through property listings, websites, and other methods; legal and professional fees; property management fees; insurance; mortgage interest and real estate taxes; HOA or condo board maintenance fees; repair and maintenance labor costs; purchase, installation, and maintenance of appliances and furniture; supplies used to get the property in move-in condition; collection agency fees; state and local taxes on rental activity; utilities. Third one is, if my rental activity results in a loss, can I deduct it? Most small landlords have a limit on the amount of rental losses that they are allowed to deduct. Specific rules apply for losses from passive rental activity if you are not a full-time real estate professional, such as a realtor or property manager. Additionally, there are limits on your rental loss if you are renting out your primary residence or put any other property to personal use. If you have losses, it is still important to let your tax professional know. Next is, do landlords have to issue 1099 forms to contractor? Form 1099 NEC is used to report payments made to contractors during the tax year. Payments can include fees for one-time services such as fixing a burst pipe, or ongoing fees like lawn care or housekeeping for your rental units. If you paid the contractor more than $600, you may be required to file a 1099 NEC. Generally speaking, if you made payments to corporations, paid using a payment processor like PayPal, or hired the contractor through a third-party platform, you do not have to file 1099s for those payments. If you have hired a property management company, the property manager may handle the 1099s for you, but it is important to confirm this so as to not miss the deadline at the end of January each year. Next one is, what tax deadlines do I have as a landlord? Your tax deadlines may vary depending on your business structure. Here are a few key deadlines to know for next year. January 31st, 2024, Form 1099 NEC. March 15th, 2024, Form 1065 Multi-Member LLC, LLP, or Partnership. Form 1120S S Corporation. April 15th, 2024, Form 1040 Individual Tax Return, including income from a single-member LLC, sole proprietorship, or unincorporated business. Form 1120 C Corporation. There may also be additional state and local deadlines for rental taxes, as well as self-employment taxes and quarterly estimated tax payments if you are a full-time, self-employed real estate professional. An attorney or tax professional can help you determine all the deadlines and forms that apply to your specific situation. Lastly is how you can get help. Despite rents increasing across most of the country, 2023 still brought challenges for many landlords. The costs for goods and services continued to rise. Rising interest rates also increased mortgage costs for some landlords and made financing improvements more costly.